What did it do for you, Java?
Grootmans Java yenye Grootmans like ezinobuntu egamini because egamini ubuntu abukho yabo like abantu nje igame toxic yabo
You say, oh,
yeah but uGrootmans Java ngomnye wabantu endibahlonipha kakhulu yabo indlela move ngayo yambona by Grootman. I remember 2022 yabo benisemakhaya ndanishonelwe yi-ankele yam
R.I.P.
uGrootmans Java wangifonela ngesikhathi se-Cotton Fest ukuthi yo Nkabi baqeda ukhipha i-poster and andikubonanga and you're the hardest working artist in Africa kanjani bangakufaki because that year ngadrop aboma how many projects 3 projects
Okay.
15 videos